Do you want to get started in OddsWin but don't know where to begin? Relax, I'm going to guide you step by step from zero. And the best part, you can get started in less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Download the wallet. The first thing you need is a digital wallet. Go to your phone's App Store. If you're on Android, open the Play Store. If you're on iPhone, open the App Store. Search for Trust Wallet. Download it and install it. Step 2. Create your account. Open the app and select Create a new wallet. This part is very important. The app will give you a 12-word recovery phrase. Write it down on paper. Do not take a screenshot. Do not share it with anyone. That phrase is the only way to recover your funds. Confirm the words and that's it. Your wallet is ready. Step 3. Fund your wallet with USDT. Now you need funds to participate. You can buy USDT from an exchange like Binance or directly inside Trust Wallet. Then send your USDT to your wallet. Very important, make sure you use the correct network, Polygon. Step 4. Access OddsWin. Inside Trust Wallet, open the built-in browser, also known as dApps. There, paste the official link for trustplay.app/OddsWin. This link is provided by the person who invited you. Connect your wallet and that's it. You're in. Step 5. Participate in OddsWin. Now comes the interesting part. OddsWin works in rounds. To participate, you need to purchase a box. Each round has a limited number of boxes, so timing matters. Step 6. Generate income. There are several ways to earn. Through participation in rounds, through memberships, and through referrals. When you purchase at least one box, you receive your personal referral link for that round. You can share this link to invite others to the platform, and every time someone joins using your link and purchases one or more boxes, you automatically earn commissions from each of their purchases. But it doesn't stop there. You also earn commissions from the purchases made by the people they refer. For example, if you buy one box for 2 USDT and you have 100 referred users and each of them buys at least one box and also sells at least 20 boxes, your total commission can reach 1,050 USDT. And this is just a basic example. Now imagine scaling it. Step 7. Level up. Inside the system, there are also additional benefits, like leaderboards for top referrers, top buyers, and memberships such as Silver and Gold. These increase your benefits within the ecosystem. And that's it. That's how simple it is to get started in OddsWin. No complications and with clear rules from the beginning. Just make sure to always use official links, never share your recovery phrase, and fully understand how each round works.